na no bege. Kena banye to bege, no be mad. Over that Arobiala, na Lolo, Nehina, or the Yangwanga. Gwangwa. Ụfọdụ ndị ọ dị ngwa ngwa alụchala n'ụwa nke a wee gafee n'ụwa nke ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Ugbu a ha nọ n'ebe ahụ, amaghị m ihe ha ga-alụwa. Ụfọdụ ndị echiche napụrụ ụra n'ọdị ndụ ọgwụ eji ehi ụra dotere, n'ihi ma ha ṅụghị ya, echiche ihe nke ụwa agaghị ekwe ka ha rahụ ụra n'ihi otu o si dịrị ha ngwa ngwa. Ọ dịghị m ngwa ngwa. Ụfọdụ ndị ọ dị ngwa ngwa ewerela abalị mere ehihie, were ụlọ itili mere ebe obibi, were ụlọ ndị mgbasị mere ụlọ ụka, were akụ na ụba mere chi, were obi ezuru ike mere ndụ a na-adịkwa.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching from. I don't know if I'm coming out clear. I don't know if I'm coming out clear. I don't know if I'm coming out clear. Somebody need to confirm that I'm coming out clear so I can continue with my presentation. I am Okulora. Somebody said, Okulora, turn your phones. Turn your phone side. I don't know what you mean by that. I don't know. This is my first time on YouTube, so I don't know how it's working. You have to raise your seat up. Maybe I'm not coming out clear. I need to raise my seat up. But I'm coming out clear here. I'm coming out clear here. Am I down? Do I need a support? Oh, you are very clear. It's not my fault. You need to tap on your screen. You need to. It should be like this, but you need to bring your screen down so it will be clear. It has to be clear. It's not my fault. You need to set your screen very well. You need to. It's coming out here like this, so it means I'm clear. I am very clear. I'm looking at myself here. I'm watching on YouTube as well with different accounts, so I am very, very clear. It's not my fault. It is not my fault. You need to adjust your screen so it will be very clear. You shouldn't blame me so much. It's my first time here, so side west. Very clear. Somebody said west. Maybe you bring camera down a bit. Do I bring it down a bit? I don't know how best to do. Go ahead. You are visible. I am visible because I'm watching with different accounts. That is why it has to be Facebook. I know how to use Facebook. It has to be Facebook. And it's blurring somehow. I don't know why I've continued to have problem. I don't know. I don't know why. What I'm going to do to have things work the way I want them to work. Go ahead, bro. If you want the video on YouTube, you turn your phone side so it can be clear. You mean I should slant my phone? I don't know. I should put it like this. It shouldn't be straight. I need to understand. Somebody need to call me and tell me, should I place my phone like this? Should I place it like this? Is it better? Or should I place it straight? I don't know. I need to make everybody happy. I need everybody to be getting me clearly because I want us to go over a very, very critical issue. Somebody said I'm coming out clear. I need to go for YouTube tutorial. I'm going to do that today. I'm going for a YouTube tutorial. You know, you have challenges, you learn. I don't know that I'm ever going to be broadcasting on YouTube. I thought after my presentation on Facebook, I'm going to post on YouTube, but due to the circumstance we are facing, I am forced to come on YouTube and broadcast, and I'm sure I'm not going to get it right in a day. It's okay this way. Somebody says it's okay this way. Either way, this way. So thank you very much. I've been away for a couple of days due to the hard work on Facebook. I was suspended by Facebook until the 3rd of June. Thank you very much. Somebody just joined from United Arab Emirates. So I've been having difficulties here and there. But if you can find a way somehow to maximize, to push our YouTube channel, it's going to serve the purpose of Facebook until 1 month. I'm sure in the next 28 days, I'm going to be back on Facebook. I tried to create a new account. I did. But still, I am having challenges. You know, when we are commenting, it will cover your face. Yes, it's covering my face already. It's coming and going. So I do not know. When I'm going to open the phone line after my presentation, somebody who understands YouTube very well should call me and teach me. Or you can as well call me after the program and tell me how best to broadcast on YouTube. I need to learn. You know, I want to learn. I want to learn every day of my life. What we are doing today is, one suggestion in your right. I've been called severally by Igbo people in Germany, in UAE, in France, in Denmark. They say, Okulora, you need to create a WhatsApp group of maybe 50 or 60 people. Select giving Igbo people, compassionate Igbo people, merciful Igbo people, Igbo men and women who are willing to help each other. No need creating a new account, but you need to use YouTube for the meantime. Yeah, I have to use YouTube for the meantime, and then every broadcast on YouTube, I'm going to also post the link on Facebook, and then wait until 3rd of June. So if I actually remember, you know, when people are too much, people constitute nuisance. When people are too much, it is difficult. So I concluded after due consultation, I've spoken to Igbo people in diaspora. We want to create a group of 50 or 60 people on WhatsApp. Group and the between 50 or 60 Igbo men and women, married, single, divorced, separated, whatever category you fall into in terms of your marital life or relationship. We want to carefully select 60 Igbo men and women, and it should be 50 men, 30 men and 30 women. We are going to put them in WhatsApp group. What they're going to be doing there is to discuss how to help Igbo people. And why I want them to be 50 or 60 is so everybody will know each other. Before you stay in that group for up to 1 month or 2 months, you'll be able to know everybody. Do Brazil, Chinedu America, Amara na UK, Ngozi na Manchester, England, Ngozi na Manchester, USA, you know, Asina Amaka, Germany, you know, we'll bring our people together and find a way somehow to help ourselves. You know, Asina Odinaka Napo from Malaysia, Asina Chima Napo from Indonesia. I want them to be in that group and find a way somehow to bring opportunities in diaspora to our people who are back home. That is exactly what we want to do, because most times I know we are in public or now, we don't have a headway. Our page, everything, but we want to carefully select 50 people or 60 people and put them in a WhatsApp group where they will solemnly be discussing the welfare of Igbo people. Maybe 5 in USA, 5 in the UK, 3 in Japan, 3 in Australia, 2 in Malaysia, 2 in China, 1 in Ghana, 1 in Senegal, 2 back home. We can go to Vietnam, 1, Cambodia, 1, Netherlands, 3. We go to Luxembourg, 1, France, 1. Germany will probably be 5 because there are many Igbo people living in Germany. Germany, UK, and of course, United States of America are going to have 5 each due to the population we have there. I don't know what you think of this development, what we are going to do. Our people are eager for us to have that group. I'm not going to be talking there. I'm only going to be there as an overseer. Whatever they decide to do. Only no Japan waste lot only no USA. I know pressure. So high school in scholarship in the USA. They come up there. 50 of them might decide to find a way somehow contribute money and do something for our people. They know. That is why they need to be there. We need timbers and calibers together. And on a comment section, you know, it's very difficult. So we need to single them out. 30 women, 30 men, married, single, divorced, separated. Whether you are not married or you married, we do not care your marital or relationship status. We want people who are going to volunteer to be there. 30 men, 30 women. We are going to give special privilege to those in UK, in Germany, in USA, due to the population of our people there. Australia 2, Canada 3. We are going to work with population. But you know, I'm Okula Randibo. I am not island of knowledge. I am not the capital of knowledge. I do not know everything. So I need you to give me your opinion. Tell me how best to go about this thing. What am I going to do? So everything is going to be all right. At this point, I've made a lot of mistakes in my life, and I am still living with most of them. I don't want to make further mistakes. I don't want to put myself in position of criticisms. I don't want that to be a reality. I want to make the right decision. That is the only way I can kill my fear. That is the only way I can continue to win my battle against depression. I've been depressed for close to 6 years now, and it's my worst experience. You know, my medical war is not even my worst experience. My worst experience as a human is depression. You know, so those in Turkey will probably get one spot. We are going to give one spot to our people in Turkey. You are not live on Instagram. No, I'm not live on Instagram. I am only live on YouTube. Later today, I'm going to be live on Instagram, because on Instagram, after a live broadcast, all the comments here are going to disappear. And YouTube is similar to Facebook, because the comments are there. Even after the video you are watching, the comments are going to be popping up. And it is very, very important. It is very critical. When you are watching a program, somebody's talking, you will be reading. You'll be going over the comments and see people's perspective, you know, line by line, sentence by sentence, you know, paragraph by paragraph. You see how people are reacting. If we are making sense, you know. If you're not making sense, judging by people's comments, you will know if you are making sense or not. I am Okulora. What are we going to do? Should we minimize the support given to Germany, UK, and US? Should we add places like Pakistan? Should we add, I've not mentioned South Korea. We'll probably give 2 slots to South Korea, because there are many people in this platform calling from South Korea. What about Georgia? What about Ukraine? What about Russia? How do we go over this development? Call me on 090-1734-2796. Those who have my WhatsApp number, 090-1734-2796. Or somebody should as well place my WhatsApp number in the comment section there, so I know where we go from here. It is very, very difficult. It might be complicated, but we need to do it. Anyway, Igbo billionaires and millionaires, Igbo professionals in our watch program, we need to single them out, put all of them together. You are a medical doctor, you are in USA. Anyway, a lot of us here, I am a medical concern. I rather one night. If that Igbo doctor in USA can ask you to go to hospital here and get your medical results, send over to him, they might find a way to bring you medical aid from America there. They will probably send you invitation. You go to American embassy, obtain visa for treatment, health visa, and go over there, all expense paid trip. This is why we need to bring these people together and charge them. What I'm going to be doing there is to always pressure them, appeal to them and say, you are together. You are men of timbers and calibers. You are professionals in diaspora. What are we going to do for our people? We need to give 20 people scholarship in Imo State. We need to talk about this. We need to do this. We need to do that. And if any of us in this platform is having a ceremony, you know, in our banku, in a mewadi mona madichogoku, and we can on a platform of madichogoku, I'm going to tell them, look at what is going on. We need to find a way to support our own. You know, a lot of things are going to be done, but we need to do it right. What are we going to do? Call me on 090-1734-2796, 090-1734, and of course 2796. Let's know where we'll go from here. If you are watching, I am Oko Emmanuel Onyeka Okulora, asking for ways we are going to bring our people together in diaspora. How do we bring them together under one umbrella to find a way somehow to help our people? That is exactly why I am here today. I am mourning because I'm going to be away from Facebook for a very, very long time, but I've made consultations. I've asked people what I'm going to do. I've called for attention of people, ICT experts, and say, what are we going to do? All of them, almost all of them, 95% of them are asking me to continue to manage YouTube and, of course, Instagram until I am going to be ready again to go on Facebook, which is going to be in the next 27 days or 28 days. I do not know. Hello, brother. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, my brother.
Good afternoon. I am live on YouTube. I don't know if you are watching live or you want to talk to me privately.
No, I am watching live on YouTube.
All right, go ahead. Talk to our people.
Yeah, my name is Chizaram Obunna.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I like what you are doing. I've been following you all this while, but I've been calling you to even speak with you on, based on our sister that was flogged in
Libya.
like Libya. Yes, because I don't know, the news is now double. I don't know how everything is going like that. We have to be sure of what we are doing so that we will not make mistake in the schoolboy we saw on video. Do you understand? So I don't know how. I want you to let us know so that we will follow this. Yes.
Okay, brother, the thing is, the original video happened in Libya, and as I'm talking to you now, Igbo community in Libya, they are looking for that boy. I told me post a picture because we might be pointing at the wrong person. I am on anything until the boy made that thing. And we can if we may general circulate the picture on yours, and then we find out about character assassination. And they post the picture on your body. So Igbo people in Libya are looking for the guy. Yesterday, as soon as they apprehend the culprit, they are going to let me know. I'm sure of that. They will.
Very, very good, very good. Because that beating is very, very hot.
It's very bad.
It's very, very hot.
The culprit is not going to run away forever. Our people in Libya, I charge Gomufa, they must do something. They must do something. And they are working tirelessly. I can assure you that, brother. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, brother. There is a caller from United Arab Emirates. If you are there, caller from UAE. If you are there, I love to talk to you. Are you getting the voice of the caller? Are those on YouTube? Are you hearing the caller? Caller from UAE. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother. Where are you calling from for confirmation?
Yeah, I'm calling from UAE.
Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Dubai.
Go ahead, one.
Yeah. Nambiko in Abali too well.
Thank you.
What you are doing. Honestly, more from the land of milk and honey.
Thank you.
Dubai.
Dubai, land of, are you sure Dubai is land of milk and honey, brother?
Actually, it's not, but at least for a beginner.
For a beginner, thank you. Thank you very much. I love you, brother. Go ahead. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So, well. So, because Jishike, Nakwano, this issue on hand now, please make sure you get somebody from Dubai also.
Yeah,
I want so many guys. Going over there.
Group. You need to also be a critical thinker. Brother, let me tell you. Onye nwere ego na-achọ ịrụ ụlọ ọ na-eje achọ injinia achọ ndị na-akpụ brọk o mechaa ọchọ ndị na-awa ya ọkụ ndị na-awa ya ọkụ mechaa eje chọọ ndị plumbing. With money you can't do everything. You need people. You don't need to ibu ike. Ọ bụrụ na ndị bụ ike na-anọ there mụnwa bụ okpulu ọrụ ama nọ there. You know, but because I have ideas, that's why I'm going to be there.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Because we need something like that. Because me in particularly, I follow you all the time because I'm somebody who I really want to go far. Yes. Honestly, even Japan, South Korea, North Korea, all those places, I would like to you but it's all here with the problem. I know
that is why you need to come close to your brother. Again, and they are the same group. EJ America got easy. Comment section a lot of people the fake there. That is why we need to squeeze the men people out. Get a money enough. You can do video call.
Within my own self, I can submit myself and be there. But the problem is I'm looking at the calibers of men that ought to be there. That's what I'm saying. The caliber of men that ought to be there. That's what I'm saying.
If I never if ọnọdụ Igbo na-emetụ n'obi. You are overqualified to be there, brother. You don't need to have the word to be there.
Because no problem. My number is with you.
I'm watching your number. I'm watching your number.
Okay.
Thank you very much, brother.
No problem, sir.
Thank you very much. Our people in United Arab Emirates are making their point felt. They say they deserve a slot. This brother's normal. Why not being? You are an Igbo man who is striving to succeed, and you said you want to be great, and this platform might be for you. You know, you want to go to Japan, you want to go to Germany, you want to go to South Korea. You are also going to be in close contact with people who are there, and that way, I'm sure you find the support you need. And another thing is being honest. A lot of us are not honest. A lot of our people are looking for every slight opportunity. They are looking for any given opportunity to steal, to maim, and to get joy in expense of others, which is very, very wrong. This is why a lot of people are not taking people on social media serious. A lot of people here on social media, they just come and watch and they go. They don't take the people they see on social media serious, because a lot of us are hiding under fake accounts to do whatever pleases them. If you are using a fake account, you can't be in this platform. We can't take you to the group. Anybody that is going to be in that group or under that WhatsApp group or member of that 60 or 50 men and women team, you must be using your real profile picture. Somebody saying that my volume is not loud enough. My volume should be loud. It should be loud. I don't know why. Somebody saying, Okulora, you need to increase your volume. The volume is loud. It's enough. I don't know. But am I coming out clear? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? I don't know why. A brother is saying that we need to. I don't know. Our volume is okay. Somebody saying that volume is okay. It's loud enough. Please, maybe you can loud yours and see. There is a call here. Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother. How are you? Where are you calling from? Are you watching me live on YouTube?
No, sir. I'm not watching you live on YouTube.
I am live on YouTube. You can talk to me after now, because I am live. People are hearing your voice in case you want to talk to me in private.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Somebody saying that I should slant my phone for better coverage. I don't know. Slanting means this is how to slant. Is it how to slant? Slant means, or is it like this? I don't know. A lot of complaints. It should be there. It's my first time. So I'm going to go for YouTube tutorial after this broadcast. So manage the nonsense that I'm doing now. So side west. Like this or like this. Or should I just slant it? Or should I use the width? I'm using the length. The width is the other way around. I don't know. You know. I'm having all these challenges due to YouTube. We love you. I love you too. Victorious Henry. Write at the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. I am Okula Randy. But just manage anything that is happening now. After now, we are going to have something better. Thank you very, very much. Victorious Henry, thank you very much. Said Okula Randy, but we love you. Samuel, Emeka, tell me where you are watching from. Emeka Test Comedy. Your volume is little down. I'm shouting on top of my voice, so you are going to hear me. Milano TV, your volume is okay. The person saying that should check his or her phone. Thank you very much. Matthew Chinedu, thank you very, very much. Milano TV said your volume is okay. Show your face. Well, my face is showing, but the comments are blocking my face. The comments are blocking my face, and I need to read the comments. Your camera angle is wrong. Yes, obviously my camera angle is wrong. It's wrong. It's obviously wrong. I don't know. I've turned 360. I've turned using the width. I don't know how it should be. Should it be like this? How should the camera be? I'm using a phone to broadcast. I am using a phone to broadcast. So I do not know. I am watching. Don't worry. Let's just manage. After now, we are going to properly fix it. I am going to fix it after now. We're not going to have issues with YouTube broadcast after now, because I'm going. Now you are upside down. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Somebody saying that I'm upside down. I do not know. I do not know. God the Hope, thank you very much. And Igbo Era TV, you are getting a selfie view, but it can be better 16:9 instead. I'm going to work on that. Please use the length, not the sideways. I'm using the length already. I am using the length. And Douglas Darlington, thank you very much. Kene Osi, thank you very, very much. A lot of incredible Igbo men and women watching That is not true. One day, you are looking okay. Thank you very much. I'm going to go for YouTube tutorial. I need to put out an interesting show for our people always. I'm tired of excuse. It's not working. That is working. This is not working. I want perfection or something that is near perfection. Thank you very much. Concentrate on the program and work on it later, bro. Or God said I should focus on what we are here to do, and then later I am going to work on that, which is the right thing to do. I'm going to bring a YouTube tutor to tell me how to go over these things. For those of us who are just joining, I am Okulo Randy, but thank you very, very much. And we are planning to form a WhatsApp group of 50 or 60, 30 Igbo men and women, married, single, separated, divorced, widows, widower. We want to bring 60 of them together to see how they can help each other and help ourselves. You know, you might be living in Japan. You want to go to Norway. You don't have anybody in Norway, but there is a brother in that platform, in that WhatsApp group in Norway. That brother is obligated. That brother should be able to get you documents to come to Norway if you need documents to come to Norway. That is if your passport is not visa-free to Norway. You go there, they take care of you, accommodate you and all that. And also, all of you in that group are going to find ways somehow to support Igbo people back home. I said, no, you find a way to put resources together, put ideas together and see how we can solve the issues facing them. That is why we want to form that group. Some of us want to do charity, but it's difficult. You can't do it alone. That is why we are putting 50 or 60 Igbo men and women in one umbrella. In a occasion, those of them who can come back are going to come back and make sure that the occasion is incredible. There are so much benefits there. I'm going to continue to appeal to our people who are watching, to appreciate our people who are watching. Let me go to the comment section and mention names that I can see. Samuel Emeka, your phone has to be on horizontal for YouTube. I'm going to work on that. One day you are okay. I love you so much. Milano TV, thank you very much. As Kid Kudi, are we gonna do a background check? Proper background check. A proper background check. I know some of them already. I talk to them on video all the time. And those of them that I've not been talking to, I'm going to do a proper. In fact, at some point, you are going to send me your international passport copy. I'm going to know everybody there. It's very, very important. So you ensure. When you go to our Facebook broadcast, 30% of people commenting there are using fake identity. And people using fake identity are not going to be part of that group. You need to come out clear. You know, you need to be part of your people. You use your profile picture. You use a real Facebook. You show who you are. That is why I'm Okula. I'm showing my face anywhere I go. I have nothing to fear. I've committed no crime. That is why I walk about without even face cap. I don't wear eyeglass. Anywhere you see me, you know that I am Okula Randy Igbo. We are going to do proper background check. That is why I'm Okula. You need to trust what I can do. Thank you very much. Write in the comment section. Tell me where you are watching from. After this video, I'm going to watch the video again and see the errors and see areas where we need to improve. And of course, please tell your friends, beg your friends who are on YouTube to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very, very, very important to me. If you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Okula Randy Igbo, write in the comment section. Tell me where you are watching from, please. Where are you watching from? I am Okula. I am broadcasting from Enugu. I need to know where you are watching from, so I can thank you for being here today, for heeding to my call, for hearing me, for heeding to my plea for us to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As Kid Kudi said, I am watching from Rotterdam. Rotterdam is in Amsterdam. Samuel Emeka said, I am watching from Dakar. Dakar is the capital of Senegal. I want to be part of it. I am in Cape Town, South Africa. Chinedu Matthew is appealing. He said, Okula Randy Igbo, I want to be part of that meeting. I am watching from Cape Town in South of Africa. Ifeanyi Chukwu John, where are you watching from? I am broadcasting from Enugu. Alpha, Survivor. Alpha, Survivor said, I am watching from United Arab Emirates. And Sugar Babe said, I am watching from Bonn. Bonn is in Germany. And he said, Okula Randibo, God bless you. Ugu Chinedu is watching from Dubai. Victor Wabugu is watching from Houston in Texas, the Lone Star States of United States of America. You can imagine, we are watching from all walks of life. And people are still looking for ways to get visa. And people in Dubai, those in Indonesia, those in Malaysia, those in Thailand, those in Indonesia, those in Sri Lanka, those in Pakistan, those in Myanmar, Cambodia, are still looking for ways to go to Western world. Those in Western world are watching. Something is obviously wrong. We are not truthful to ourselves. Only because a lot of us let me not use the word disgrace. A lot of us are shameless. You lie. You do everything. When it comes to people helping you, they'll be suspecting. If I help this man or woman, are they not going to turn against me tomorrow? If there is honesty, sincerity, if there is fairness, I see no reason why our people will be running up and down in search of visa that shouldn't be very, very difficult to ascertain or to get or to obtain. Watching from Maribor, Germany, we love you, Kulora. Ogochuku, Ezobube, thank you very much. And Darlington, a very good man, a very good friend of mine. I'm sure when we are making selection, I'm going to call Darlington to represent our people in Malaysia. He's watching from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Paul Ikechukwu is my elder brother. Paul Ikechukwu is watching from Amuwa Dauphin in Lagos, my blood brother. His name is Paul Ikechukwu. Paul Ikechukwu is watching from Amuwa Dauphin. And only get Tom direct in South Africa. My immediate elder brother be South Africa. For those in South Africa, and you want to meet my immediate elder brother, he's in South Africa. He is. He's in South Africa. Okulaura, God bless you. Kenneth Osi, God bless you for your good work. Where are you watching from? Osi Kenechuku, where are you watching from? Okulaura, watching you from United Arab Emirates. Chinacharem Osuoji is watching from United Arab Emirates. Okulaura, this is one of the reasons why Yoruba people is far better than us. Rose Jefferson is saying that Yoruba people, they help each other, but Igbo people find it difficult to do. Brother Jefferson, once beaten, twice shy. You know, okay, that person needs to be proactive. That person needs to be very, very careful so they don't fool you again. So, in totality, in summary, I'm not going to blame our people. Our people, ourselves, we are very, very difficult. I can assure you, on our Facebook comment section, and we'll go fraud of more than 10 million naira there. A lot of people come there with fake identity. They say they will do visa. Somebody's going to send them request and send them money. They disappear. But I want our people, do not do anything at the comment section without my authentication, without my validity, without me saying go ahead, that if anything goes wrong, I'm going to fight. You went to someone saying, boss, he's in Japan. You want to come to Japan. You send them 500,000 naira without the knowledge or approval of Okulo Randibo. And then they disappear. They block the account. You come back to my WhatsApp to worry me. I have so much to do. This morning alone, then we'll go more than 10 complaints. And I was telling them, I work, I go to school. My health is not the best in the world. I am facing a lot of challenges mentally, physically, health-wise. And then we'll continue to do little things that will continue to jeopardize our collective effort. I don't know where we'll go from here. Augustine, Chidi Best, where are you watching from, brother? Augustine, where are you watching from? We must always think we are too smart. I think we are opportunists. We are not very smart, the way we do these days. Maybe our fathers and mothers are smart. They were smart. Igbo people of today, in every honesty, there are changes we need to make. Okula Rame, God bless you. Thank you very much. God bless you too. Continue to write out the comment section and ensure that I mention your city or country of residency. Also, you said I'm watching from Netherlands. Where in Netherlands are you watching from? Are you in Rotterdam, Feyenoord, Amsterdam, Tilburg? Are you in Hague? I need to understand where you are watching from. I've been a victim of visa 4 times. Well, I am eager to travel out of Nigeria. I'm not giving up. Ross Jefferson said he's been a victim, even victimized, in search of visa 4 times. And he said he wants to continue to, or try to find a way to leave Nigeria. It's not giving up because Nigeria is not functional and Nigeria is not working. I do not know where we'll go from here, but I'm surely going to go over this video and then see areas where we need to improve and go to a tutor, a YouTube expert, to see how we can improve. And there is somebody watching from New Delhi, the capital city of India. Ifani Chukwu Hakachas is watching from New Delhi in India. Please, I beg you in the name of God, I'm making a passionate prayer. I'm appealing to you people wherever they are watching from. We need to grow my YouTube channel, please. It will give me joy if you do that. I've gone out of my way for our people. I've fought brutal machines and unbending laws. I've done unimaginable for our people. I've put in my life on the line many times for our people. What have I not done for the collective joy of our people, for the collective interest of our people? And today, help me grow my YouTube channel. It's very, very important to me. If you can do that, I am going to appeal and continue to appeal. Now, please, I beg all of us in the name of God. I need to grow my YouTube channel. I need to do that. It's very, very important to me. I am going in the next 5 minutes. Let me go to the comment section. Innocent said, I am watching from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, land of milk and honey. I don't know. I've never seen United Arab Emirates as land of milk and honey. Because more than 80% of our people, they are complaining. They are complaining. If a place should be a place of milk and honey, it should be Australia, Canada, and of course, Japan. I know places where people who are there are making positive confessions. Facebook thought you have no other way. Facebook thought we have no other way. We are going to come back. Augustine Chinibes, thank you very, very much. Thank you. Sugar Babe said, I've subscribed. Please share this link on your Facebook page. Please do whatever you have to do. I don't know how you are going to do that, but anything you are going to do to put smile on my face in this time of difficulties, in this time of uncertainty, in this time of fear, in this time of pain, anger, anguish, anything you are going to do to put smile on my face, I am going to remember that longer than time. I am also going to wish you well now and then. I am going to hold you high. I am going to be always, always, always loyal to you for what you've done for me. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Those who I failed to mention, you need to understand. God Hope is watching from Germany. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I am Okula Randibo. I love you. I will always do. Chizaram Obonna, you are welcome. Where are you watching from? Chizaram Obonna, where are you watching from? I'm working tirelessly to see how we can bring Igbo people together. And we are going to do that. Thank you very much. I am Okulor. I'm going to see you soon. And probably we are going to be managing Instagram and, of course, YouTube until 3rd of June. It's a long time. And as well, it's a short time. The good thing is that we are seeing. I am watching from Togo, probably Lome. Chizaram Obonna. Thank you very much, everybody, wherever you are. Chuku melu na amara. Chuku gozi unu. Chuku bunye unu enu. Chuku ekwena ka unu daa. Chuku kwala unu ụzọ n'ebe ụzọ adịrọ. Chuku mere unu ihe na-adịghị eme eme. Chuku wepụ ife siri ike. Ife ịba akwa, ife ikikere eze. Ife isu udo, ife anya mmiri. Osebụla ụwa. Onye ike niile dị n'ọba aka ya. Onye maara anyị kele ka anyị maara onwe anyị. Onye okwu ya bụ E na Amen. Jehovah Rapha. Jehovah Yahweh. Jehovah Sikenu. Somebody said, my brother said we should make the WhatsApp group 100 so we can accommodate more people. 100 is not bad. 50 men, 50 women. I've received more than 20 applications from Igbo people in America. They say, Okulora, we must be there. We must be there. People are eager to link up with our people. The only fear is how genuine, how truthful are you? So you don't go there and scam people. You don't go there and lie and cause chaos and confusion. That is why my key criteria of being member of that WhatsApp forum is being truthful, being compassionate, being merciful, having the collective interest of Igbo people at heart. It's not about you having money or influence or being powerful or respected. How bad do you feel watching the atrocities happening in Igbo land? I want to put 50 to 100 kingmakers in one WhatsApp forum under my very own watch, Okulo Randibo. My brother said it should be 100 so we can accommodate more people. If you are going to take up to 100, it's going to be well as well. But I'm going to put that into a critical, analytical consideration. I made mention earlier, I've made a lot of mistakes in my life and they are still hurting me. You know, I don't want to make further mistakes. I want to, everything I'm doing today, I want them to be in accordance, in order. I want to be on the right track. I don't want to once again shoot myself on the foot. I might not survive it. I might not. I support your brother. People are seconding my brother. They say 100 is fine. I am going to consider that. I am a good listener, so I am going to consider that. Chukwunememma, Jehovah Yahweh, Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Sikenu, Jehovah Adonai, Jehovah Elohim. Bless our people. Do not let them fail. Do not let them fall. Ekwena ajọ mmadụ fụfa, ekwena ajọ mmụọ fụfa. Buoro ha ụzọ bụ elu ha azụ. Ihe niile ha na-emetụ aka ka ọ na-aga aga. Who am I? I'm not that powerful. I'm not that influential. I'm not wealthy, but you gave me a gift that whatever I say, our people listen because of the love they have for me. I will tell them to come on Instagram. Thousands of them are going to come. In Fabian on YouTube, they will come. In Fabian on Facebook, they will come. In Fabian on WhatsApp, they will indicate to come. Some of you made some comments that are remarkable. Some comments I will live to remember. Some comments I will never, ever forget. They say, Okulora, we'll walk the walk with you. We will never leave you. Okulora, wherever you go, we'll come. Whatever you say, we'll do. You know, it takes a lot of love. It takes a lot for people to declare. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare our everlasting love for you. Our people say, Okulora Ndibo, we declare our everlasting love for you. And when I go over these comments, I feel very, very emotional. I tell myself, Okulora Ndibo, what more are you going to do? You need to continue to make these people happy and proud, more proud than they were ever. All of you are amazing. There is nothing I wouldn't do for your happiness. There is nothing I wouldn't do to defend you. You don't know how determined, how zealous I am when it has to do with all of you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you immensely for being here. I'm going to be here tonight as well. I love to be here tonight. Okulora, you made me work hard to grow like you. Somebody there is calling me an inspiration. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you soon. I am Okulora Ndibo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Around 8 p.m. or so, or even 9 p.m. tonight, I'm going to also come here to see you and talk to you. Why we wait until 3rd of June? Oh, wait for them on 3rd June. That day is going to be incredible. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be a memorable day. 3rd of June, a day we are going to pull away from captivity, from prison. A day we are going to break barrier, fences, sieges. A day we are going to win a battle. 3rd of June is the date that Okulora Ndibo is once again going to broadcast on Facebook. 3rd of June. Uchenna Wuju, brother, you are trying, brother. Thank you very much. You are trying as well. And I appreciate you. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you soon. And God bless. Thank you very much.